Do you know where your trash ends up? And how big is your ecological footprint? Find out today. Where do these boxes come from?
Are you environmentally friendly? Really quick, take this quiz to find out. Here. Did any results surprise you? What is an ecological footprint? A footprint leaves a trace of where you've been. So what do you think an ecological footprint is? Let's take a look at this video by Movely to understand what an ecological footprint is.
Our human activities consume resources and produce waste, and nature needs to have the capacity to meet these demands. The ecological footprint is a way to measure our human demand on nature. Every one of us has an ecological footprint. The footprint represents the impact of a person, a household, a city, a business, or a country on nature. Things like food, energy, transportation, goods and services all contribute to our ecological footprint. The footprint is expressed as the amount of land and water required to produce what we consume and to absorb the waste we generate. By measuring the ecological footprint, we can assess the pressure our lifestyle puts on the planet. This helps us to manage our ecological assets more wisely and to take personal and collective action.
Now that we know what an ecological footprint is, how do we personally contribute to it?
Like the video said, it's how much we consume and then how much we throw out. Unfortunately, we have limited space in our landfills. And in addition, a lot of trash ends up in our creeks, rivers, streams, oceans, open spaces, and in the streets.
Something you can do at home is find out how large your eco footprint is. The first step to solving a problem is recognizing there is one.